Welcome to another exclusive celebrity house tour. Today we're taking you inside one of the most stunning homes out there, where luxury, style, and over-the-top amenities come together. From jaw-dropping architecture to million-dollar views, get ready for an inside look at how the rich and famous really live. Let's check it out. Chris Brown may have lived in the same home since 2015, but it's no doubt one of his prized possessions, and he's created quite the private sanctuary here. Aside from the more obvious features like the 8,300 square feet of space and glass walls for both style and views, Chris also won't be having a problem with security. The star had a state-of-the-art alarm system and 16 security cameras installed throughout his property for the utmost protection, among other smart features. Chris purchased his home in Tarzana, California for over $4 million, and over the years he's really settled in and made this contemporary mansion his true home. In 2015, Chris Brown purchased his current smart home abode for $4.3 million, and it's located at the top of a hill in Tarzana, California. Tarzana is located in the San Fernando Valley near Encino, and it's actually named after the jungle character Tarzan, which might be fitting for Chris since he can be a wild boy himself at times. Anyways, Chris's contemporary and gated estate offers top-of-the-line privacy, and aside from the secluded location, the 16 security cameras and state-of-the-art alarm system both help make that happen. Moving inside, the mansion spans 8,300 square feet of space, with 6 beds and 6 baths throughout. Not to mention, it's reportedly both a green home and a smart house. The estate encompasses nearly an acre of land, also boasting solar power. Chris's home not only has an oversized garage with parking for 3 cars, the sprawling motor court is able to fit 10 more. And being the car lover that he is, it's clear that this feature was a selling point for the singer. While the house may be somewhat simple looking from the outside, walking in, you're greeted with a dramatic double-height foyer and spacious common rooms. There's a grand staircase leading to most of the bedrooms upstairs, while there are glass walls throughout the home for a sleek look. The glass walls also come in handy considering Chris's property boasts amazing panoramic views of the city lights and mountains, so you can soak in the surroundings from indoors or out. Chris's home has spacious living and dining rooms, while luxury finishes include stone and hardwood flooring throughout. There are also mahogany wood doors and plenty of balconies off of the abode to enjoy the view. The gourmet kitchen offers a breakfast nook, stainless steel appliances, central island with bar-style seating, and another laid-back table to eat at. The living rooms and dens have a clean design with flat-screen TVs, while one with a retractable glass wall has a built-in fireplace and leads out to the patio. Some of the awesome features include a soundproof home theater that looks dark and cozy, with a 120-inch screen and 14 reclining seats. There's a first floor bedroom suite, while the upper level of Chris's house has 5 more bedrooms with en-suites, and also upstairs you will find an open concept office or family room. Of course, Chris's master suite is the nicest of them all, overlooking the entire valley through walls of glass. It has a luxury ensuite bath, fireplace, private balcony, and of course, walk-in closets. You already know those spacious closets are just ideal for his shoe collection. We can see that Chris has customized the home since moving in with personal touches, such as his beloved graffiti art. I don't know what's better at Chris's place, the interior or exterior, because the yard is also full of luxury amenities. The backyard offers a ton of space to entertain and lounge, including an outdoor living room with a full kitchen and 3 inviting fire pits. The saltwater swimming pool also has a center Baja shelf, spa, waterfall, and glass pebbles. Say what you want, but Chris is notorious for throwing wild parties, and over the years, many of his crazy gatherings have even made the news. That massive motor court and expansive entertainer's backyard must come in handy when Chris throws parties at this level, like the one back in May 2021, where he had a rumored 300 to 500 cars parked at the estate and nearby. While Chris clearly loves his current Tarzana mansion, he has some other pads before, as you might expect. One of which was famed for the graffiti artwork he embellished the exterior with. And while Chris might have been proud of that artwork, his neighbors, they were quite the opposite. opposite. Back in 2014, Chris sold his former home in the Hollywood Hills for $1.69 million, graffiti and all. It was situated hard up on the street with barely any privacy compared to his current living situation. Property records showed the entertainer snagged the multi-level hillside residence in the foothills above Hollywood for $1.5 million back in 2001. Considering this nearly 3,000 square foot home had over 4 stories, there was also an elevator to get around seamlessly. This home boasted 3 beds, 3 baths, soaring ceilings, and sunny interior spaces throughout. And of course, like any good modern home, there were also walls of glass to get the most of the city lights views. Decked out in concrete, glass, and steel, Chris's former abode was designed by architect Jay Vanos and customized to suit the then young star's taste. While the exterior graffiti was repainted before Chris listed the home, several interior walls in the home were decorated with cartoon-like characters. The high-tech house boasted ultra-modern furnishings, an LED lighting system, and top-of-the-line Italian kitchen. Not to mention there were bonuses like an art studio and a loft. The main living room here was attached to the kitchen, and there were double-height ceilings with full walls of glass looking right into the hills, as well as a built-in marble fireplace and flat-screen TV. The open-concept master suite on the top floor, well, that was definitely unique. It featured a red standalone tub and a glass shower in full view of the bed. Privacy here was definitely not an option, but at least the shower offered massage features. Chris's Hollywood pad also had some very cool outdoor living spaces, including a couple of fire pits, a projection screen for movie nights, and stone waterfalls. If that's not enough, the saltwater pool and spa were illuminated by colored LED lights. Even before Chris's graffiti-clad mansion, he lived in a penthouse in West Hollywood, which he got rid of in 2012 after only a year living there. He sold it in an off-market deal for $1.6 million, the same price he purchased it at, reportedly because it wasn't a good place to party and neighbors were more reserved. During Chris's short time at the 3,000 square foot residence, neighbors also said he played loud music and raced dogs in the hallways. That's kind of strange, but whatever. The penthouse condo occupied the top floor of the building, offering 3 bedrooms and 4 baths throughout, along with bamboo floors and high ceilings. The large kitchen dining room combo allowed Chris to chat with guests while cooking, and the kitchen also had Caesar stone countertops and stainless appliances. The 3 bedrooms were spacious and had cream-colored walls, each with their own ensuite. Elsewhere, there was an office, a bar, and another small bonus room. The condo opened out to a spacious terrace overlooking the streets of West Hollywood and city views. Chris was right in the heart of the trendy West Hollywood neighborhood when he lived here, and only a short jaunt from Sunset and Santa Monica Boulevard. While the penthouse was spacious and pretty luxurious, his homes to follow were definite upgrades. After taking a look at a few of Chris Brown's homes, that's gonna bring today's house tour to a close. But before we go, answer this question for me. If you had a spacious home or mansion, would you be throwing parties there whenever possible? Let me know in the comments below, or if you would rather enjoy the home in a little more of a relaxing environment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram to chat.